Hello everyone, welcome to our channel My and Miles.
One of the best things about traveling to Europe is that you can literally wake up in one country and have lunch in another. Today, we are taking a day trip from Vienna in Austria to Bratislava in Slovakia. And the best part, it only takes about an hour. Booking the ticket is super simple. Just get a Bratislava ticket from the OBB counter in the Vienna main station. This ticket will cover your entire journey, including the public transport in Bratislava. When making the booking, make sure your destination is Bratislava-Petržalka railway station, because that's the main station where all the trains from Vienna arrives. Here's a fun fact. The distance between Vienna and Bratislava is so short that they are actually the closest capital cities in Europe, only about 60 kilometers apart. In fact, there used to be a flight route between Vienna and Bratislava, but it was discontinued due to the small distance.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel My and Miles, and welcome to a new country, that is Slovakia, and I'm currently standing in Bratislava, the capital of Slovakia. Beautiful, isn't it? Behind me is the old town of Bratislava, just a glimpse of it, and we are going to the Bratislava Castle. Come, let's go. So we are at the first location in Bratislava, that is the Bratislava Castle. This is 9th century old, a very iconic and important landmark of Bratislava. So this dominates the skyline of Danube River. It's a very beautiful place, as you can see behind me.
This castle has watched over Bratislava for centuries, from Great Moravian Empire to the Habsburg monarchy. One interesting thing about this castle is its four-cornered towers. Locals often say it looks like an upside-down table from afar.
So behind me is the majestic Danube River, and just in front of it is the beautiful castle of Bratislava.
After exploring Bratislava Castle, we were getting pretty hungry since it was almost lunchtime. So we headed to Bratislava Old Town in the heart of Bratislava, to try some local Slovak food.
So currently I am in the Slovak pub. This is one of the places that you cannot miss when you are in Bratislava. It's a very old pub and you get the very traditional dishes of Slovakia. So here we have, this is halushki. This is a traditional dish of Slovak made out of potato, cheese, and this is a kind of dumpling. This is filled with sheep cheese, dill, and again topped with bacon. Also, I would like to show you something here. This is not a beer. This is cola, the Slovak type. This is the Slovak version of what we drink, Coca-Cola that we drink. This is our lunch for today, and let's enjoy.
After lunch, it was time to head back to Vienna from Bratislava, wrapping up the perfect little cross-country day trip.
So we are back at the Bratislava station and we would be heading back to Vienna. So that's it for today's vlog. I hope you liked it, and if you like, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye.